Adventure Academy today, and that is not my player. She's just some random lady at this shop. I'm going to show you how your shop works. So you can buy items from other players. So I could buy this pebble for 1 coin. You can buy stuff and search stuff there. You can buy. Now you can press my shop. I don't know if it's a certain level you have to be at, but I normally get like 1,000. I've gotten 3,000 coins from my shop each day. So you can just press collect. I sold these. I'm not going to show you the names, but yeah. So you can actually pick your prices. It's pretty awesome as long as my shop is loading. So this is my inventory here. If I want to sell something, like my Rockstar pants, I'm gonna remove them after my shop. I can say cancel if I accidentally pressed it. I can say okay, but I can change the price if I press there. I'm making it this much because I hope no one gets it. So this is my shop here. But if I accidentally did that, or I figured out, oh, I need this, you're just gonna press there. And then you're gonna say remove item. Remove this item. And I'm gonna press okay because I love my Rockstar pants. Getting people to buy your shop can be easy, but you're gonna want really good items at good prices. With the Rockstar pants, I mean, they're not that common. I mean, sometimes you can find them at Shady Dave's, but not everyone knows about Shady Dave's. Well, what you can do is you can check the shops, but yeah, with the Inuit Parka not contest thing I'm doing, Inuit Parkas were so hard for me to find. So I had to buy, there was one selling for like 20,000 coins. At the time, I did not have 20,000 coins right here. And so I kept looking until I found one that was like 100 coins. So yeah, I got a bunch that I sold from the clubhouse. So yeah, if you haven't already, please enter my contest. I don't have anyone who's chatted me about it yet, and I really want people to go. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!